Good morning, friends. Welcome to SBI Securities morning podcast. In today's podcast, we'll be discussing what to expect in Nifty and Bank Nifty from here on, as well as the crucial level for both the indices. We'll also be discussing on the key sectors in focus in trade today, as well as the next few trading sessions. First up, coming to the update regarding the markets. So in the week gone by, so if you see the volatility was quite high. There were quite a few key events due to which the volatility surged up, especially the yen carry trade, geopolitical tension in the Middle East, recession fears, and the Reserve Bank of India's monetary policy decision. The events resulted in almost all the sessions witnessing either a gap up or a gap down opening. When compared to global peers, if we see Nifty is still demonstrating strong outperformance. From their all-time highs, if we see Nasdaq is down over 11%, the S&P 500 is down 6%, Dow is down nearly 5%, and Nikkei has declined by over 16%. In contrast, despite global uncertainties, the Nifty has only decreased by 2.83% from its all-time high. Technically, if we see the Nifty oscillated between 20 and 50-day EMA levels of 23,900 and 24,400 during the week. However, in the second half of the week, it witnessed a recovery after taking support near the 50-day EMA level, which helped the index to recoup some losses. It ended the week at 24,367 level with a loss of 1.42%. On the weekly scale, it has formed a small body bullish candle with a long lower shadow. The long lower shadow indicates buying interest at lower levels. Most noteworthy in the recent decline, the RSI found support near the 40 mark and experienced a sharp rebound, which is a bullish sign according to the RSI range shift rules. However, this needs to be confirmed by the price action, which will occur only if the index sustains about 24,650, 24,700 levels, which is also the gap zone formed on August 5th. Coming to the crucial levels for Nifty, so talking about levels, the zone of 24,650, 24,700, that is from a slightly longer term perspective, that is weekly perspective. 24,650, 24,700 will act as the immediate hurdle for the index. Any sustainable move above 24,700 would lead to an upside towards 25,000 followed by 25,200, while on the downside 24,000 mark will act as the crucial support. Any sustainable move below 24,000 will lead to resume its downward trend in the index. In that case, it is likely to test 23,700. Overall, Nifty is expected to consolidate between 24,000 levels on the downside and 24,700 on the upside. Coming to the update regarding Bank Nifty, since the last 5 trading sessions, Bank Nifty has been oscillating between 100 and 200 EMA levels. It has witnessed high volatility as almost each trading session of the week, it has either witnessed a gap up or a gap down opening. The daily RSI is still bearish territory, while the daily stochastic has witnessed a minor rebound after touching the oversold region. Among the constituents of Bank Nifty, the short-term trend of Axis Bank, ICICI Bank and IndusInd Bank is bearish, while HDFC Bank, which is holding the highest weightage in the index, is in a sideways to bullish trend. The divergence is helping Bank Nifty to sustain at the current levels despite of selling pressure in frontline banks. Going ahead, the 100-day EMA zone of 49,800, 49,700 will act as the immediate support for the index. Any sustainable move below the levels of 49,700 will lead to resume its southward journey. In that case, the next support is placed in the zone of 49,000. On the upside, if we see the 50 EMA zone of 50,700, 50,800 will act as the immediate hurdle for the index. Any sustainable move above the levels of 50,800 will lead to a sharp short covering rally in the index. Coming to India VIX, so last week the volatility index India VIX recorded its widest range in 8 weeks, trading between 23.15 and 15.26 levels. This sharp increase in volatility underscores the heightened market fluctuations observed recently. The VIX concluded the week above 15.3 with a gain exceeding 7%. Going ahead, the zones of 17.2, 17.4 will act as the immediate hurdle for the index. Any sustainable move above the levels of 17.4 will lead to a sharp upside rally of up to the levels of 20 in the short term, while on the downside the zone of 13.3 will act as the immediate support for India VIX. Coming to sectors to watch out for as per relative strength. So technically Nifty Pharma and Nifty Healthcare are likely to continue their outperformance in the short term. Nifty FMCG has formed a strong base near the 20 EMA level. Going ahead, if it sustains above the levels of 60,600 level, then we may witness a sharp upside rally in FMCG space as well. On the flip side, Nifty Realty, Nifty PSU Bank, Nifty Metal are likely to underperform the frontline indices. That's a wrap of today's edition. Thank you for regularly listening to our podcast. Do tune in tomorrow for more market updates and insights. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.